be doing the 24-hour challenge. We're going to be doing last one to talk wins, or in other words, first one to talk loses. So, we're going to get everything we need, and there's a twist. We're going to get everything in 30 seconds. And so we don't have to pause. And so let's start. The timer should be at the top of our screen. So let's start the timer. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, so I'm looking at this stuff and I'm really hurrying. I'll get this balloon just in case I'm bored. Some headphones, and maybe my tablet. Okay.
Now it's my turn. Maybe I'm gonna get my charger, just in case my phone dies. My chanclas right here. I have 5 seconds left. Maybe I'm gonna. Oof, my time's up.
No, you didn't get anything.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Hi guys, the challenge is gonna start in 3, 2.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
One eternity later.
Whoa. What if the challenge doesn't even last 20 minutes? There has to be some sort of punishment. And I think I know what the punishment should be. I think no matter what, there's no quitting even if you get mad. Let's say you're the loser. You have to do whatever I say for the rest of the day. But if I'm the loser, I have to do whatever you say for the rest of the day. So
I know exactly what it is
now,
if you lose.
Now you can say that 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. Let's get in it. He's obviously gonna use. Look at me. I'm not blinking. Even though this challenge is about not talking, he's gonna lose and I'm gonna win. He's gonna have to do whatever I say.
Why is he staring at me like that? And why do I have to use the bathroom now? Since I'm a super smart scientist that didn't fail any of my grades, definitely not lying, I have a super excellent idea. I'll just pour some water on her face and I'll win.
This time, but little does he know, it's talking.
Sorry, I'm not into